Hey guys, it's me, Big Mess S230 here, and I'm back with another video. Today's gonna be my last day of my whole house vacuuming for a week straight with the Black & Decker cordless lithium pet. I've been using this for about a week since I started this, and I'm gonna be picking, after today, I'm gonna be picking a new vacuum to you be using in my next week, or I think I might do a month. I don't know. Let me know down there in the comments on whether you guys want me to do a week's worth of vacuuming with one vacuum, or do you guys want me to do a month? Let me know down below. And this is the Black & Decker Power Series cordless lithium pet. There's so far how much is in the bin. I have not touched the inner filter since I've started. You can tell there's some stuff in there. The check filter light that's right there has not came on yet, so that shouldn't be a problem. This is my Walmart bag. I have had to empty it once. That's so far everything, all the cat litter, hair, dirt, and dust that I've gotten. I will be showing you all of it once I'm done. And I'm actually going to film me vacuuming my house for the very last time with this vacuum before I go on to the new one. And I can give you a hint of the new vacuum. It is black with blue accents, if you can guess it. I have two vacuums that have it, and they both start with B. So I'm going to push the power button right there. Power. And I'm going to lower. And it has 2 bars. I have not charged this within the week. As you can tell, it does a phenomenal job. I am holding my phone today. I'm not using no camera stand. This is what I've been doing throughout the week. I just roughly around, it's 12:55. I get up, take a shower, vacuum the house. You can tell my carpet is a little bit dirty. I do not have a carpet washer, so yeah, so I lift it up, pick it up, and automatically lowers the suction for the hard floor. And I vacuum my hard floors. This Black & Decker does a very great job at picking up the hair and dirt and dust off the floors. Yeah, I haven't charged this thing in a week. Today would be a week since I've started, and I have not charged it. My hard floor is kind of dirty. It's got dirt stuff all over it. You can tell It easily moves surface to surface. Now let's go into the living room. So I'm gonna shut the beater bar off. I'm gonna turn on my living room light so we get a bit more light in here. Here's my dog Angel. Pressure on. Get automatically raise the suction. Again, this is gonna be the last. Today's the last day I use this vacuum for an entire week. Again, let me know down there in the comments. You guys want me to do? I'm starting a new series where I'm choosing my vacuums, which ones I want to use. And I've been just so far. I've started with this one. I'm doing a series where I use a vacuum for a week, 1 week in my house, and see how much I can pick up. But I think I want to extend it out to a month. Let me know down there in the comments. You guys want me to do a week or a month? See, it leaves excellent groom line in the carpet. Very maneuverable. I will be showing the filters and everything I've picked up throughout the week. This is my litter room for my kitties. There's one, there's two. I've recently lost one of my cats. Her name was Star. I lost her last week. Pressure off. Push the chair forward. Beer bar on. You see everything going into the bin. It effortlessly cleans the floors. It does have a bright headlight. Probably doesn't help with the flashlight being on my phone. Turning this light on to the spotlight. But I gotta switch hands. Yeah. Not gonna exactly work. normally why I use my tripod to hold it, but it's a lot of picking up and moving around. Not mentioning the tripod's heavy. Alright, as you can tell, it's getting quite full on each side. So I'm going to grab the handle. You can see just a couple of times and it compresses it down so I can hold more. I'm going in my parents' room now. Pushing the button. Turns it on. No, get out. You're not allowed in here. My parents don't allow certain cats in their room. It does have an anti-safety if you pick up large objects. The brush will automatically shut off to preserve the life. Not preserve, to save the motor and the brush will. Gotta do a little bit more cleaning. Alright, and see, we got 1 bar life left. Close the door. Now, let's go back to my room. The best one downfall, the lock does really work on this. Now, hey look, it's my cat Storm. Hey buddy, how you doing? He weighs 22 pounds. That's my breakfast. Alright. Grab out my bag. I'm asking to set you guys up on your guys' tripod. If you guys don't know, this is what you guys stand on. These legs come out and they hold there. And I got this connected up to here. This is a selfie stick. And you guys go into there. If you grab this, it extends out. If you pull up, it extends, see? It extends up to 5 feet. So yeah, so I'm going to get you guys set up on that so I can finish up this video. Alright. So I'm going to unhook the bin by pushing this lever and taking it out. This is everything that I've managed to get out of my house in a week, plus what you guys seen in the bag. I'm going to take it and dump all the dirt into the bag now. And let's twist this to unlock. We'll actually take the filter out. I'll be showing you guys that. It never clogged once. This is the outer part of it. Did have to take this off and brush it off because it has gotten caught up with hair. See, there's dirt in it. If I take it out, you see, it is quite filthy. But that is from a week's worth of dirt that I've gotten out of my house. I have a 3-bed, 1-bath, duplex home, and this is all of the hair. And if I move it, there's a lot of grittiness down there. I don't know if you guys can see through the bag, but there's a lot of gritty particles down in there. And so yeah, I am in the brush roll. You take this button right here. It's on the side. It has a symbol of brush roll. You push it. This comes out. This is what the brush roll looks like after a week. It's quite filled with hair and different debris. I will be cleaning this. That's going to be the next video. It's going to be a maintenance and tip video of how to clean this vacuum. Because there is no videos on YouTube that show you how to properly disassemble these cleaners right here, of how to properly disassemble them for cleaning. Now, can you guys guess which... Oh, this is my extension pole for one of my vacuums. Which one of these 2 vacuums, I said they were blue, and they both started with a B. Which one of these 2 cleaners right here? I got the Bissell Powerforce Compact, and I've got the Black & Decker Power Series Extreme cordless, and I've got 2 batteries for. Like, there's one. If I come in here, that's my microfiber. Here's my second battery for it. And I'm about to reveal which one of these 2 vacuums is gonna be for the month of June. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. It is the Bissell Powerforce Compact. Yep. I'm going to be using the Bissell Powerforce Compact after I clean it out. It is going to be the vacuum for the month of June. And I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be saving this dirt because I'm going to be doing a big mess test soon. Yeah, that's going to be the vacuum for the month of June. I'm only going to use this vacuum and this vacuum only for the entire month of June. So like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.